Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to a brand new year of Nate's Garage. Everybody wants to restore a car, but not everybody has the knowledge, skill, or money to do it. Even the best of the best make mistakes, and I'm here to tell you, I've made a bunch of them. We're going to talk about how to avoid these costly mistakes. First off, know what kind of car you want. See if there's any parts available for that car, because only God knows. It might not even have aftermarket or OEM parts. Some parts may be used or have to be cut out of a donor car. Once you've assessed that, find out if you can even afford it. Maybe plan to do things in baby steps like I have in order to afford it. Pay things as you go, because that's how I do it. In my case, there's no way I could afford a 66 Chevelle brand new $40,000-$50,000. Number 3, do your research. Find out what you're capable of doing and the things you know you can handle, like a motor rebuild or transmission rebuild. Get different estimates if you can get it done. In my case, I wanted to do certain things like replace rear gears and axles, which I never did before, thankfully. I have a ton of friends and hot rod buddies and YouTube to figure them out. So the 4th step would be you have a place to do it. In my case, a single car garage. And finally, do you ever need certain tools to do the project, like welders, compressors, vices, air tools, jack stands, electrical equipment, and even see if your fuse box can handle the load. This is just the basics, but don't get discouraged. You will make plenty of mistakes, and the things you learn after conquering will give you self-esteem and give you some knowledge of your mistakes in order to help teach others to do it right. Before I leave, I want to show you some progress that I've done on my car and the mistakes that I've made. So let me show you what's going on. So this here was the old dash, and when I bought the dash, the new one, because the old one was rusty and full of fiberglass and stuff like that, I bought it from AMD, and they must have sent me the wrong one, didn't realize it. They're very similar but very different in different ways. First way is the 67 dash is flatter than the 66. Also in these corners right here, there's a space in between. I had everything welded in, all nice and painted and everything. So the reason I found out was I put the old windshield in. I was trying to save a windshield, the old one, and come to find out through talking with people and doing my research what I should have done, what we talked about before, and it was a 4-door Chevelle windshield, and they're different than a 2-door Coupe SS. So I knew right then and there I had the wrong dash, I had the wrong filler panel, and I had the wrong windshield. So I went ahead and ordered all of them for 66, and pre-fit everything in there already, and everything fit. So now I'm this bottom panel here, this right here, this is what the one panel fits on to go onto your dash. So I still have to weld these little spots right here and right here. I got to do that before I weld everything back on, because when I took the old new one out, it yeah, I think I did a pretty good job of not tearing stuff up, but you're still going to tear something up here and there. But that's what I got going. You guys want to see some cool stuff before I leave. That's today's Nate's Garage, and I hope everybody enjoyed seeing all my stuff, and we're gonna have different tutorials on my next videos, and at the end, please subscribe, like, share, all that other good stuff. And I'm gonna put some names at the end of all my videos from now on of who's helped me, who hasn't, and thanking the people that, you know, I mean, because if it wasn't for help on this thing, I wouldn't be where I'm at. Just want to thank those people. And I'll thank you at the end of my video. Really appreciate it. Everybody have a great day. Hope to see you next week. Hope you enjoyed Nate's Garage. Peace. Later.